How to delete your Facebook account on Android or iOS. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your Facebook account. So first thing, simply head over to your Facebook application, and once you're inside here, just click on this top right corner, which is your profile icon, and once you're inside here, scroll down until you see this settings option. So once you click on settings, just click on this account center, and from over here what you need to do is just click on this your personal details under account setting. So once you're inside here, you will see the account ownership and control option. Just tap on it, and from over here you can see your option called deactivation or deletion. Just click on it and just select your profile, and from over here just select the second option, which is deleting your account permanently. So simply continue, and just for your info, make sure you have selected your Facebook page as well, because it will automatically delete your Facebook page which you have created with by linking with this account, your personal account, on this Facebook app. So now that you have inside here, just choose any one of the option just like this and click on continue, and then tap on continue just like this, and then your Facebook should be deleted within the 30 days of your business working days. So that is exactly how you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.